God greatest gift to man, 1 in a million. Every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming of you. What's up, AC gang? So people. Today was last day in the hotel, like Jesus, guys. And honestly, I'm tired. I just want to go home and see my son. I'm save who. Yeah, guys, so right now after 6. CAPO asleep. I don't know if I chat to me. I'm not afraid right about now. So what I'm going to do, I up and pack up because we were tired last night. So I'm going to up and pack up things and go eat breakfast. Cause you know, good girl now make food, make sheep. And the last day, you know, yeah guys, so if you don't know, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you don't know. Run go over to Abbi and CAPO Comedy TV. Run go over to Abbi's Madness. On a good girl, I said. I will go over to CAPO's TV. And remember, follow up on Instagram down below. So guys, I will just pack up the things in. So no just come. So people, we're going to look food right about now. Yeah, we're going to one place in Blue Lagoon. Still in a Grand Palladium, so you know. People more telling us CAPO love me, CAPO love me. Don't say CAPO tell the people them food. Cover it up in a plate, you know, cover up 2 plates and cover the antol over it. I run down with the food, you know, people. CAPO walks so fast, I can't even see CAPO which talk truth. The boy reach far. Alright guys, so we just reached back in. I know a time for get the hell out of here, so we just have finished pack up. Guys, over here we kinda alright. Yeah, if you want to look a getaway, you can come here, so I'm not lying. I wish we could have get more time, but when I come in, you know, we end up checking in later, so we never enjoy the local time also. And now we just up and down and find food, because you know a good girl have to eat food. We got to eat food. So guys, I just gonna try and take a look at picture and finish pack up, you know. And then we see some of the picture them on the gram. Make sure you follow up on the gram down below. Guys, good girl now better check out here, right? Because here say at 12:30 we check out and after 9 now, so good girl can just enjoy herself and I put down this so yeah. Good girl can't really show up much because I'm shaped like carrot. But yeah guys, so we're gonna go right at the pool so. Alright guys, so we're gonna go to the pool and so what's the darky? No, sir. Good girl live a star, rub up and so back. So we have got adult pool. If you're not adult answer, you can't go to the pool there. If you're not adult answer, you can't go to the pool there. Yes. Tattoo answer. I got my gun on my foot right here.
Gun foot? Yeah,
Right there, sir. Yeah. Guys, so, good girl, I got step in the pool and so, see there? Them all have bed in a pool. CAPO, them have bed in a pool. Yeah, guys, so we are going to chuck off in the pool right now. Chuck off? Yeah, chuck right off in there. Guys, yes, sir. Yeah, and two good girl fat, you know, good girl. I have to take a look at time and go down in there. So, CAPO, what you do? You going in the pool or not? Why you still have a mask? Why I'm still have a mask, people? Why I'm still have a mask?
Coronavirus.
Shit's getting real. So guys, good girl in the water, right? Oh yeah. Now I'm showing you what take place there, so. Bed. Keep wash the pants, so. People over here nice. Grand Palladium over here is very nice. I enjoy the scenery and everything. Huh?
Capo, chuck on, mama see. Yeah. What's in there? That's the boy lifeguard. Excuse you. Yeah, guys.
Put on the phone here.
So we're gonna chillax until a time for check out, you know, because you know we got to do it. We got to enjoy the rest of our stay. You know, money is worth and so. If we do a people sponsor we so, you know, if we do a people sponsor we so. So don't think so we're rich, you know. We're not rich now, nothing. We're not rich. Watch out. Bank my edge at the phone. Like a vacancy. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So yeah.
Alright, people. So you want to know?
Eh?
Right now, just there.
You want to push me?
The last day. I show up to them see me because them still a shine same way after 2
Guys,
days.
up on good girl tattoo, right there, sir, right there, sir.
No, compare,
Right there, sir, right there, sir.
Abbi or CAPO,
Good girl tattoo up our way, that takes. We at spa.
Okay then.
Good girl at spa, so you know. Yeah, good girl at spa, so we there in a pool. CAPO come let we chuck off. Let we chuck right off in there. Oh, deep that is.
5 foot.
Then I go cover me.
Yeah, out all.
Oh, me 5'4".
Oh, you might survive.
CAPO, come on, you guys are strong. Come on, you guys are strong. You stand up?
Yeah, it's not that deep.
And you know, good girl have a makeup on, so good girl can go anywhere. But good girl can go so. Watch my foot. Black clock, watch. Cable. Get my foot. Hold on my foot. You see me, I go down in the pool.
So you know my face. What's it?
No, my face wet. Yeah, you hear that? Remember this time I'm going home face. Yeah, guys. So as I say, if you want to have a nice time, come at Grand Palladium. Over here, up. Adult pool, so no kids allowed. Yes, you could bring your people with you. You have to just enjoy your adult self. So guys, right now we just gonna enjoy we look ourselves and so. And you know what? Keep on you do that. And then we're gonna just take a look at drink. Stop that body, boy. Stop do that, you spoil the makeup.
Waterproof.
Stop do that and stop act like you either. Remember where I go somewhere after this.
Where are we going?
Let's
Dinner time.
Love people's vibes.
Okay then. Guys, happy vibes broke some new one day again.
Guys, a fat slug. Watch out, anyway. I don't know deep
That is just doing it, brother.
Same that he will show you, see when I kill off himself. Yeah, guys, so I guess a good girl drop it. Right there's a good girl dropping it. Yeah, right there, sir. You know, good girl have a face, so good girl not really in a shower. No pool, nothing. But yeah, we make them people that with the bald head and the ugly face go right in there. Dirty CAPO and dirty that boy there. You know, I'm not my brother again, you know. I don't even like him sometimes, so yeah. Likewise with CAPO, I hate CAPO now. Yeah, but I feel cope with him sometimes. Yeah, guys, so there. Good girl there. People want to watch some nice skin tattoos. Lord Jesus, you don't want to check them out. Tattoos. I'm have one hand on my titty right there, so I can't show no. It's my foot draw on my clothes also, yeah. Alright, people, so dirty CAPO him cramp up. Him thinks I'm a star.
Yes, I'll kill me, guys.
Yeah, the dirty boy thinks I'm going to see my soul. So we, right now, I'm going to look some juice drink also.
So guys, we're going to go fruit punch mix with the alcohol same way. You know.
You know how we do.
Yeah, so at the final day still, so we're going
Enjoy everything,
full dry
guys.
ourselves. So guys, we are dealing with fruit punch mixer now.
Oh guys, then look at stop changing another one here, man.
If you guys see me show my shoulder too much, it's nothing. It's just that I got a tat, you know.
But the tattoo made the boy look extra sexy.
But yes.
him still not come get me so easy. Man, nah, dirty boy CAPO, look at this, tattoo. He
Yeah,
was
guys.
excited also.
So right now we are doing some fruit punch mixed with liquor, rum. Yeah. If you guys really can go on vacation.
Come on, Grand Palladium.
Forward on a Palladium, isn't it?
Yeah, Grand Palladium, man. So.
They're right at, where they are Hanover?
They're right in Hanover, right in Lucy.
Yeah, but close to Negril said speed, isn't it? So not far.
Right in Lucy, just at the Knox Ford and so. Yeah, guys, so we're going back for round 2, you know. Look at this. I feel like say the blend up one. No, the blend up one tastes better than the color one there. Better than the normal fruit punch, you know. You know the juice, the regular, some of them, yeah, blend up. So guys, we're gonna go around in the room now for check out because you know check out time. So check out time at that, so we're going to just show the tattoos there. That's yeah, guys, so I'm going to take my last pee. I'm nasty, see?
Don't do that,
I'm nasty, I'm just a pee in the pool, so.
Don't do that.
Hey, look at everybody drink my pee-pee. Well, not everybody piss me at drinking at this. Be a people piss me at drink. But when they go in there, what are you swimming at people piss?
So here are the people that got
We're going to check out now, guys. So,
yeah.
next time we're going to go there in the room. Yeah, that's me. So, see it here, guys. We're just... I'm going to dry out this, jump in the shower. You know, and just check out. Guys, I have to come out to the people and place. I have to come out. So, yes. Look at good girl. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're finally outside of the room, Our outside of we're on the little car thing. For bring me go where we are going, yeah. We are on the little car thing, guys, so. Look at pool, I'm just there while I got it nice too. So guys, we finally I left the people in nice clean place and so jeez I'm peeing. It was a hell of a weekend.
Cheers to the freaking weekend.
I never weekend, dude. The week, watch your back get lit though.
Holiday.
No, my love, watch ya.
You see this? I search, I make them a search with car.
We are going to end out because I was supposed to meet with my other sister for dinner. So you know what, guys, just stay tuned. Pay things and good girl want to do the Lord Jesus, Lord Jesus.
My friend, them is
I don't know my next good girl sister say, come in the house! Shit is real! Girl. Yeah, yeah, this is the next good girl sister answer. Yeah, she the innocent one. That's how I care related to. She too innocent for me. Yeah, answer.
Yeah, touching down Negril side, west side, you know. So they're rock house right now and thing. Take some pictures over there, have some food, just about that.
Yeah, people, so we are walking and go find a place. Yeah, but good girl belly big. So good by the people, not to the over what's wrong, guys? So guys, we're at the rock house. Alright, wait name? Rock house. Just taking the view right here. Yes, nice little place. So when I try them food yet, you know, but when I try them food, we're gonna make them know if the food up, that's when I can come. Yeah, good girl put on the hand, good girl put on the hand. Which part is that? We're in Negril, yeah. Whenever I wanna come Negril, and if the food up and so, I can come right just so. Yeah, right just so.
So we are going to do it, guys. We are doing it.
Okay, guys, so we just done full belly. I saw, you know, good girl belly, full show belly. Yeah, belly right there. So now we're going to take some nice picture and soon back.
Now we are going back to town, you know, from Negril to town. So you know about 4 hours that, yeah.
Sebu, I miss you. Sebu.
They said, don't worry, you're not going again.
So guys, we forgot to end the video and a lot of so pack on off put by the things them, but hey, look at the things that we take from the hotel. Yeah, guys.
You mean tea from the hotel, Abbi? Tea for like
No, I took this was in my package. The fuck?
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
guys, you can see 2 days past since you come over, we don't have no time for like and just unpack the bag too.
Yeah, guys, I was just remember saying we
Never
never end the
go
video. Oh, that's bad. Oh, my God,
Once
that's bad.
you enjoyed, make sure to subscribe to the page.
Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you don't know, and tell a friend
And for
about it.
Christ's sake, if you don't subscribe, just
Turn on the
bell.
notification
After the
bell.
channel grow. turn on the bell, please.
That's as we drop a video, I want to get notified same time. And people with their road to 100,000 subscribers. So tell on a friend, tell on a family, tell on everybody, tell on a dog, tell on a cat, tell on a rat, tell on a
them subscribe
this,
to the
tell
page.
on a that.
And
But
also,
subscribe.
very importantly, try and follow up on Instagram.
Yeah, guys, can we reach 10,000 pound? Don't forget to swipe up, swipe
Yeah,
up.
so we want to get 10,000 followers on Instagram, so go and follow Abbi on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, and also follow our CAPO page. It's free.
Down
Just
below.
keep the following. In our description, you can click link in the description, or just type it in on your Instagram page and just go follow it. You understand? Simple look favor me asking for.
Yeah, guys. So, and CAPO gonna make some tripod delivery. Remember, so we're selling tripods $1,500 if you live in Kingston, $2,000 if you live outside of Kingston, because we have to ship it to you for extra $500. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So.
You don't know anything, go?
Yeah, AC gang is.
Oh.